Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at another pre-made, pre-cooked fridge meal that comes from IGA. Now we're going to look in to see whether it's worth it, taste it, and evaluate with whether it's worthwhile buying or whether I'd buy it again. Anyway, it's called Chunky Chicken Casserole. It's put out by Mad Foodies. It's a 350 gram meal. It's 12 grams of carbs and 29 grams of protein. It's bits and bobs there. It explains it. She comes with 29% of chicken, 29% of sauce, and broccoli 14%, pumpkin is 23%, peas is 6%. Oh geez, forgot about peas. Has broccoli in it. Looks pretty yummo. I mean, really. And I stumbled across this in IGA the other day. It is marked down to $9.95 from $11.95. There's a full range of these. Anyway, so we shall weigh this little puppy before we go any further. And weighs in at 393 grams. Then you've got to take off, I suppose, 20 grams for the dish. So that's 375 grams, thereabouts. It's supposed to be a 350 gram meal, so that sounds pretty good. You can do it in the microwave, and yeah, just keep it in the refrigerator, and to be cooked in the microwave. It says remove packet from the sleeve, which I've done, and do not open or pierce the film. So we don't pierce the film, and we stick it in the microwave on high, which I'd say is 1000 watt microwave for 3.5 minutes, or on high. Then you let it stand for a minute, and so anyway, let's see where nuking. It's been nuked. I didn't see the point in showing you it being nuked in the microwave, because we all know what the microwave looks like and we all know how they work. So in the interest of editing, I did it this way. And let's see if it's lost anything in its weight. It's lost 15 grams in its weight, so it's now 389 as opposed to 350. Take off 20. So that brings it down to 379. That's fine for me. The product's there, good value. And I'll turn around. We've got to peel the lid off this little bad boy. Oh, tell you what, the smell is phenomenal. Oh, look at those little pieces of chicken. Bit on the small side, but hey, it looks good. Let's hope so it tastes as good as it looks. So there's pumpkin, the broccoli, and chicken, and the peas, and a sauce. What's the sauce? A casserolette sauce. Well, it don't tell me much. But I imagine it's got crushed tomatoes in it, yes. And it's got tomato paste, water, carrots, and red wine, and preservative, of course. Onions, cauliflower. Yes? Okay. Oh, cornflower, sorry. Celery leeks. Okay. I believe you. Thyme leaves, sage, pepper, pumpkin, broccoli, and peas. Yeah, there's the roll call. So let's start with a piece of broccoli, because I like my broccoli. Do a piece of pumpkin. That was nice and tender, that piece of broccoli. And even the pumpkin's just done right. It's, as you close your mouth on it, it splinters under the weight of your teeth, and nice flavour. Let's find some chicken. 2 pieces of chicken, look. How's that? It's a mouthful. That was a real mouthful. Well, chicken's cooked, and yes, it is breast. A little on the stringy side for breast. To be honest, I prefer to use chicken thigh fillets. It's a better meat, tastier meat. Doesn't dry out like breast does. That is a nice meal. For $11.95 retail, that's a good meal. And it's a 350 gram meal, 12 grams of carbs, 29 grams of protein. It's got a nice casserole sauce. It's only a matter of finding an IGA nearest to you that gets a supermarket one. Can't go past it. Good meal. I give it a good rating of 8 out of 10. So now I'm going to finish this one off for my lunch. So don't forget, share this with someone that you may think might be interested, friends or family, and also hit the subscribe button and the like button, and leave a comment if you wish, and by all means you come back and visit the channel. But in the meantime, you stay safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. So bye for now.